Yeah, it is good feeling. My name is Ravichandra Babu, working in Inadu since 34 years. Felt very happy by getting this award. Thank you to Hybridge and Ravi Gopal. Work hard. Whatever the work we do, we must be in that work, involved in the work, and we must do. That is the criteria for us. We worked for Inadu and still working in Inadu and will work till Inadu. That Rajagopal is also one of our colleague in Inadu. We both have worked in 1993. So in that association, we know about us. We know about him. Thanks to Rajagopal and Hybridge TV.